Ngayon ay papunta na kami sa Yas Marina para sa early celebration ng birthday ni Ellie. Tara! So we got to This is BG. Siya yung bantay dito sa buong yate. So, he's taking care of this yacht. So, what are you doing here? Just cleaning?
Cleaning.
So,
Boat take care.
Take care of the
Second
boat.
captain.
Captain.
Yes.
Are you the captain?
Yeah, second captain.
Oh, wow. That's good. You have a lovely job here, right?
Yes.
That's nice job. So, itutur ko kayo ngayon sa main deck nung pinakayate. So, of course, ito yung handa ni Ellie. Meron kaming dalawang pinakamahabang pizza dito. So, meron ding mga donuts. Meron ding mga choco bites. So, may mga cucumber and carrots, mga chocolates. So, mga drinks. Of course, yung balon ni Ellie, hindi mawawala. So, 12 na si Ellie. So, dahil this is early celebration for her birthday kasi. Actually, yung birthday ni Ellie is November 11. Pero gagawin na namin ngayon. So, ito yung pinaka main deck niya. So, meron din ditong mga chair. So, ang ganda niya. So, this is my first time to see a real yacht. So, this is like...
This is the
kitchen.
kitchen.
Oh, wow. Good, complete.
Yeah.
They have cabinet here.
Cabinet.
They switch. They have switch. Wow. This cool. So, this one you can cook here.
Yes.
You have also my oven.
Yeah.
So you can bake cake. That's good.
Here the tea, coffee.
I see. Then you can cook your biryani.
Yes, everything. This is last one.
Complete. Ang ganda niya. Pasama tayo ni... You go first. Haji.
Busy.
VG, I will call you Haji now. So this one is the lower deck. So medyo makitig yung hagdan niya. So ayan. Wow! You have a lovely bed here. So this one is a bed. This is your bed.
Yes, no.
If you have guests.
I give the guest.
For the guests. If you have a guest, then they can come here, stay here.
Stem the restroom here.
Wow. So this one, they have also restroom. Complete restroom, right? Shower room as well.
Yeah, shower room.
Okay, very nice. So, kompleto talaga dito. So, this one. So, this is for the guests. But where do you sleep? Normally.
Begin the room, my one.
This one is good.
Captain quarters begin.
Okay. He is your relatives.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if meron daw mga guests na pumupunta rito, then if they wanted to sleep, so they can stay here and sleep.
Yeah.
Like if they wanted to have a nap. So, normally this is for the visitors.
Yes, correct.
They need to pay here if they... This is for rental, yacht?
Yeah, rental room.
Rental.
100. Sorry, 1,000. 1,200. 1,500. Lowest price 900.
900. How many
Per
people? Per hour?
Yes.
Very expensive.
Today booking your boss 4 hour. Sorry, 3 hour.
How much that?
2,700.
2,000. Very expensive.
Yeah.
I thought this is free.
No.
So he said, VG said, per hour is the lowest price is 900. So this is per hour. What if whole day? Like if they stay here like one night, how much is one night?
No, like this cannot night. Day night booking.
No.
People trip time only.
Only daytime. Only daytime.
No, night 24 hours can move the boat, no problem.
Napakamahal pala ng bayad dito. 900 daw yung pinaka-lowest per hour. So, pag whole day talaga, sobrang mahal. So, kami, mag-stay kami dito ng 4 hours. So, pabayaran ng amo ko nasa 3,000 dirham daw. Napakalaki nun. Crap. So, habang hinihintay namin yung birthday celebrant, at saka yung mga ibang bisita, kumain na muna ako kasi Ang lunch lang namin yan, pizza lang at saka donuts. Ewan ko mabubusog ako dito. Tapos yung kapitan, nandun na. Siya yung maglalunch lang doon yung kapitan. So mamaya alis din kami dito. So pupuntahan natin yung upper deck.
Wow.
So ayan. Ang ganda niya rito, kung malamig, sobrang init nga lang. So kaya ayan, si BG ang nag-aalaga nito. So napakaganda rito, may mga iba't ibang chair. So maganda talaga to sa mga party-party. So ang haba ng chair niya. So kapag umandar to, pwede tayong makapag-sightseeing dito. So ang dami niyang upuan. So talagang pang maramihang tao to sa mga party-party, napakaganda rito. So ang tawag sa yate nila is Falcon Yacht. So siyang magdadrive nito mamaya. So papadiretso na ako mamaya sa Pilipinas. We're going straight to Philippines. He's going to drive me to Philippines. So BG will drive me to the Philippines straight. Straight going to vacation. So this one, so this one you drive this.
Yes.
See. It's also Garmin.
German GPS.
This is the GPS. So this is my first time to see a real boat. So nakakita ko ng mga boat yung maliliit na small boat brother in the Philippines. But I haven't seen the real boat like this, like yacht. So this one is lovely.
See the water?
Yeah. Okay. So ayan, meron na kaming mga water dito. And then this is soft drinks. Coke,
Now empty.
Yeah, I'll get one. So, nandito ako ngayon dun sa gilid ng yate. So, iikotan natin to. Ang ganda rito. So, iba-iba yung owner ng yate na to. Alam mo yun, minsan napakasarap din talaga mag-relax, mag-unwind, lalo na sa napakagandang ambience na to. Ngayon ay pupunta naman kami sa isang lugar kung saan pwedeng mag-swimming yung mga bata. So ipapakita ko na lang sa part 2 ng aking video, birthday celebration ni Ellie. So have a good day, enjoy and relax.